Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today we're going to be replacing a fender on a 2010 Forester. I'll give you the model years of which it fits. Basically, they're pretty much all the same, maybe a little bit different in the front, but they all connect the same way. All right, and what I did is I found one in the salvage yard, same color and everything, so it doesn't even have to be painted. Just take off that pinstriping, and it should match really nice. If you're going to paint yours, you can watch videos in the future on how to paint, but right now we're going to be taking this fender off. Now, over here, you're going to have, they're all 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. You peel away over here, 10 millimeter right there. Now, this bumper has a little crack in it, but I'm going to still keep that. What you're going to have to do, your fender's going to probably have this plastic channel where the bumper snaps into. What you're going to do is little by little peel it away, because we want to get to this bolt over here. Excuse me. All right, that bolt is right down there. And I believe that's the only one over there. All right, and then there, now we're going to go inside the car. Over here, another 10 millimeter right here. Okay, and then there's probably one on the bottom. Okay, so now we come to the bottom. Over here, we got the plastic splash shield. These either could try to get them out with a Phillips head. They always break, so I'm just taking them out. All right, just enough to, I don't know if you have to, you don't have to take them all off. Just enough. It could actually stay in there, but our objective is to get the two 10 millimeter bolts that are on the fender that this trim is in the way of. So I'm just gonna peel it out, show you what I'm doing. Like I said, you're gonna probably get new ones of these unless you can get them off. So let me take those off and we'll continue. And once you pry them out, this kind of releases. And what you can do is it pushes in over here, there's a little pin. So if you could just pull it back enough and get to those bolts right there, you don't have to remove it any more than that. That's what I'm gonna do. And just be careful you don't scratch the pieces you don't want scratched. And it slides right out. All right. You replace that with a new one. And again, the key where the bolts are, so it's easy for you to understand. 1, 2. This plastic piece has those plastic fasteners. One over here, 3, 4, 5. And you move this out of the way, and you got one right there. And that's pretty much it. It's very easy to do. And you just put the new one back in, and you're good to go. All right, MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit the like button, and make sure, sorry, that when you line it up, you line up the lines nice and even. And if you have it on a lift, believe it or not, put the car on its 4 tires, because it could tweak a little bit, and you could have uneven gaps. All right, that's just a little note right there. All right, guys, MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any question pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.